Welcome to our channel. If you want to make money with YouTube Shorts, follow these step-by-step instructions to monetize short-form vertical videos on YouTube. Step 1. Understand YouTube Shorts requirements, including that videos must be vertical, 60 seconds or less, and filmed with a smartphone or other device in portrait orientation. Step 2. Meet YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements, including 1,000 subscribers, 10 million Shorts views in the past 90 days, and compliance with all platform policies and guidelines. Step 3. Create engaging, attention-grabbing content in the first few seconds as viewers scroll quickly through Shorts. Focus on entertaining, educational, or inspiring content that resonates with your target audience. Step 4. Post consistently, ideally multiple times per week, to increase your chances of videos going viral and building a subscriber base. Consistency helps the algorithm recognize and promote your content. Step 5. Use trending audio, hashtags, and topics to increase discoverability. Pay attention to what's currently popular in Shorts and create your unique take on trending themes. Step 6. Engage with comments and encourage viewers to subscribe and watch your longer-form content. Cross-promotion between Shorts and regular videos can boost overall channel growth. Step 7. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program once eligible and enable monetization. Revenue comes from ads shown between Shorts and is distributed based on your share of total views. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.